Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Silver Trading. Today, I would like us to look at this retracement in the market, or the decline in the price of Bitcoin, and the impact and or what it translates into. This is our daily chart. We can see this is our daily chart. We are seeing a retracement in price. What does it translate into? If we check our weekly chart, we can see we only have 34 days to Bitcoin halving, but already our RSI is at level 80, oversold. So it means we have to fall back. It has to go down. This market must go down. See, already it is too high. Already it is too high. Let us go back to our daily chart. Even on our daily chart, this market must just fall. We have no otherwise. This is how Bitcoin usually behaves. So this is not something new. So people shouldn't panic in the market. If you went through our previous video that we posted concerning what we were expecting, a decline in the price, let me show you this clip. Here it is. We were expecting a decline in the price. There are two important videos. You can go through them. This one, the mystery. And then this other one. This one. We are still a young YouTube channel, but we really give good content. So we spoke about this 8 days ago, that we were expecting the market to fall by -20 to -40 before uptrend in the bull run. So let us go back to our video. So this is the trading view. We have only 34 days to go. Only 34 days to go, and already the market has shown that for sure it must follow that law. That before having, the market must be shaken. People have to be shaken very well. So today we are going to discuss what does it implies. When you look at our RSI, we have to fall back. We have no otherwise. RSI must come down. So let us look how it has affected these other currencies. Let us go to Casper. You see, it has really fallen. I bought it somewhere there where you see I've indicated buy. I've bought it at a very cheap price. Let us go to this other. Let us check Shiba Inu. Yeah, it is, the effect is translating into these other coins. Solana is a bit stable. Let us check Bonk. You see, market has really been shaken a bit. Which coin again? And let us check Zen. You see, market has really been shaken. So this shaking usually occurs when we have few days to halving of the Bitcoin. So our price has fallen from, we were at 70, almost at 72,000. Now the price of the Bitcoin has fallen down, and we still expect much fall because our RSI is almost at level 90. So we expect it to go down. So we are still expecting more retracement. Let us look on lower times. You see, this is how the market is behaving. Being that the higher time frame on a daily chart, it is still high. So we expect more fall, more retracement in this market. So just brace yourself for well. But this one is not the death of Bitcoin. Just a small shaking, then we'll bounce back. Sorry, my voice today is not that good because of some cold flu. So we want to look at what are some of the things affecting. Is this a character or something unique about this Bitcoin? So this is what we discussed previously. The history of Bitcoin. Let us go through this history of Bitcoin. We may learn 1, 2, 3, 4 things that are very, very, very important to us. So this is the history. These are some of the. Richard, you killed X. So these are the 5 phases of Bitcoin. So we want to go through each one. This one is the history now of Bitcoin 2015. This blue line is the halving that occurred in 2015. So when you look at it, sorry for that. So this one is the halving, the day that halving occurred. When you look at this market, the prices were rising. This was accumulation phase. This one was the accumulation phase. Then the price rose. After rising very well, then there was some decline. This is the point of decline. Few days to halving. Then the market retraced. The retracement of the market occurred even post Bitcoin halving, before it bounced. This is the post marked by the orange. Is it orange? Yeah, somehow red color. So the price really changed. It moved seriously. This region, it was climbing. At that point it fell to this level before moving again. So we want to look at this history. Very well. So the orange, so there are 5 phases. So this one is the first one, which we are not, it is not of our interest. And then this one is the second one. So we want to look at this third one. Just before, few days to halving occur. Pre-halving retracement. Dark blue circle. This is the dark blue circle, you see. So just before halving, Bitcoin experienced, this one is 2015. Yeah, this is the year 2015. Just before halving, Bitcoin experienced a negative 40% retrace to form a new post halving reaccumulation range. So this is what occurred. The market fell by negative 40%. Then immediately after halving occurred, then we had reaccumulation phase before the market took off. That is what this statement means. It fell by negative 40. This is how it usually behaves. It experienced negative 40. Negative 40%, this one. After experiencing negative 40, then we enter into post halving. This post halving consolidation, it lasted 6 months. At that time it lasted 6 months until Bitcoin broke out from its post halving reaccumulation range in December 2016. So it will take time. After falling, then reaccumulation will take 6 months. At that time it took 6 months. Ours, we may never know how long it will take, but we must brace ourselves well. You see, it took 6 months. Those are very key points to note. Then after that one is when, after breaking out post halving reaccumulation range, Bitcoin pulled back to retrace this one, that one. Let us enter 2019. So 2019 also, the prices were moving very well. Prices were moving very well. It went up, then it came back, then bounce. But by how much? We want to know the real history of this coin. So the third phase, just before halving, Bitcoin experienced negative 20. So there are some common factors we are now picking here. That before halving, Bitcoin must experience, but here now it was negative 20%. Negative 20%. Market retraced by negative 20. So this one already at the back of our minds, we know that before halving occurs, Bitcoin usually retraces. Then what is followed by retracement is the reaccumulation phase. So this is the retracement. This part, you see, it retraced, then it retraced, then this one is the reaccumulation phase. So it is not something new. It is not something new. Then number 4, post halving. After pre-halving retraced, Bitcoin consolidated for 10 weeks. 10 weeks. In 1 month we have 4 weeks. So that one is roughly about 2 months. And it broke out. So let us go to, this is 2023, which is supposed to usher us into 2024. Phase 3. In 2016, Bitcoin experienced negative 40, pre-halving retrace, whereas in 2020, this one was negative 20. So in 2024, this is what we expect in 2024. This is where the retracement will play. A range between negative 20 to negative 40, which we discussed previously in the other video that I showed you. That is where we expect that retracement that has started will be. It will fall between negative 20 to negative 40. Then after that, after the pre-halving, Bitcoin could consolidate for several weeks. Yeah. If 2019 were to repeat, then negative 21% post-halving retrace could also be on the card. But generally, this consolidation could constitute post-halving reaccumulation in preparation for final breakout into the new parabolic uptrend. So, guys, there are two things that we have to meet. The retracement must occur before bull run. That one is a fact. Immediately after bull run, then we are going to have reaccumulation phase, which is also a fact, which may take several weeks. Then from there, then we'll break out. So this is where now people should be watch themselves very well. Don't fear, don't panic. Those are the characters of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has 5 phases that must occur. But the occurrence of this retracement will give us a good platform to bounce and move higher. So let us go back to our trading view. So this is our trading view. We have 34 days to. If you look at weekly chart, this is a weekly chart. So from here, if at all we will be able let us go to monthly. I wanted to show you how this is our price. I expect it even to go higher, to go very, very, very high. My price prediction, it will be more than 150, because we will fall and accumulate here, then start parabolic. If we will move in that parabolic, it will take us higher than 150. It will take us higher than 150. There are two scenarios. We can even, we can retrace to this region, then from there go parabolic, which may take us even to 200,000. So guys, kindly remember to subscribe and drop a comment. I would like to hear from you. What is your perspective? But there are some facts that now we have, that prior to having occur, few days to, market must always retrace. Immediately after retracing, then we must experience a reaccumulation phase. After that reaccumulation phase is when market will break to higher highs. So guys, the retracement, now we have only 34 days to that D-Day. Reaccumulation takes weeks. We have seen in other instances it takes 6 months. In other instances it takes 10 weeks. So we are not sure, we don't know this one how it will occur. But what we know currently, there is much adoption in cryptocurrency. People are coming in, money is coming in. So thank you so much for this far, those who have stayed with us this far, we appreciate. Kindly remember to subscribe and drop a comment. Have a good day.